Having trouble with DHgate's payment verification? Here's exactly how to fix it and get your order processed fast. Let's get started. Step 1. On the top right corner of the DHgate website, click your profile icon, then select My DHgate. Step 2. Scroll down and find Account Settings, then click on Payment Verification under that section. Step 3. Click Add a credit card and fill in the required details. Step 4. You'll need to upload 4 things: a photo of your credit card, front, with only the last 4 digits visible, a payment record, screenshot or receipt, an authorization letter. DHgate provides a template. Your billing statement showing the name and address. Step 5. After uploading all documents, click Submit and wait for DHgate to verify your payment. Bonus tip: make sure your DHgate account email and phone number are verified. It speeds up the approval process. And that's how you fix DHgate's payment verification issues. If this saved you some stress, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. See you next time!